What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to take apart a pallet the easiest way I found. There's a couple of methods. You could use a pry bar, you could use a pallet puller tool, which I don't recommend. It cracks the boards too much. The easiest way that I found was just a Sawzall. It's the cleanest. Just make sure you get yourself a good bimetal blade, okay? Milwaukee. It's probably the better of the blades. All right, and that's what I'm using, Milwaukee bimetal blade. And this is to take your slats off of your pallet. All right, it's the cleanest. They don't break, they don't crack, they don't split them down the middle, which I know a lot of you probably did before or tried, and got aggravated. A lot of other people I've seen doing. I'll show you a pallet. They pretty much, they'll cut right down here, all right, all the way down the sides like this with either a Sawzall or a circular saw, but you lose your end here and your other end on this side if you're just cutting against the 2x4. It's easy, but you lose it. And if you like, let me see, if you like the nail holes, see the nail holes there, the way they look, you can see it good there, which I do in a lot of projects that I do, a lot of DIY projects. I like the way the nails look, whether they're in or they're out. It gives it a nice, rustic look, because it blackens from the metal. So I'm going to show you my way, the easiest way I found to get all of the board and to not crack them. All right. Saws up. Safety glasses. Safety first. All right. You're gonna see here. You're gonna go right. See if I show you. Right here. This is where I'm gonna be cutting. Along the 2x4. Straight down here. Okay. Straight here, so you could cut the nails off that are going into the 2x4. Okay? Put the blade right here and cut straight down. Let me show you. You could time it. I don't know how much time that took, but it wasn't long. And that's a board. Alright? This crack was originally here. I didn't do that. Because I know some of you are going to say it's cracked, but it wasn't. Okay? Nice, clean. You got the full length of the board. Full length with your nail holes, if that's the look you like. If you don't, cut it down the other way like I showed you. If not, it's all up to you. All right, but that's a full length board and it's super easy. All right, so that's the easiest way I found, and I will show you. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get it. But there's a pallet puller. I'll be right back. I'll show it to you. All right, back. This is your pallet puller. It's a tool. You could buy it. Amazon's got it. Websites got it. It's heavy. Takes a lot of effort. All right.